be known. So, like, you know, like Gandhiji was known for non-violence. Okay, Martin Luther King was known for justice or equality. Like everybody has to pick up something. At the end of your life, when you leave, all your money and houses and cars will have zero value. But you should be known for one thing in your life. Either take it up as education, or helping the poor, or helping rural children, anything it can be. But you should pick up one thing, which should be your passion, so that when you leave this world, some people will remember that you did something. Otherwise, we will be a name, thousands of people come, crores of people come and they will go away. Nobody will remember, right? So make something for which you are passionate. And when you are passionate for something, then you don't need money. Money will come automatically. You have to go start. I started this program of rural education just by myself. Today we are covering whole India. I started with Himachal and Uttarakhand and then Punjab. Now I am going to Nagaland next week. Next week, after I come back, then after 3 weeks, I am going to Silchar in Tripura. So you must have a passion, then time will come. Everybody has 24 hours, right? All of us have 24 hours, but you have to plan for it, and you have to think. You cannot waste time, and you have to focus. When you focus, somebody takes 24 hours, I can do it in 1 hour. You focus well, you think. So this is what I want to tell you, all young people. You are so bright, you can really make India proud. All of you can be the Larry Page. You know who is Larry Page, the founder of? Who will tell me? Any student? You don't know his name? Larry, tell me. Yeah, very good. So Larry Page or Zuckerberg, Facebook, right? Of course, the most richest man. Who is the most richest man? Bill Gates. They all are like that. Bill Gates, doesn't wear Armani or anything. Just buys $10 shirts. So the labels don't matter. Bill Gates here. Both Armani pehne or na pehne. So these labels don't make any difference. Okay. What makes a difference when you open your mouth? People will understand Bill Gates, right? So that is more important. Your address will be how you address. Who are you if you know how you talk to people on what subjects. Most of us talk about people, that is gossiping, at the lowest level of discussion. Right? You have to talk about issues. How to improve something. How to improve something in the school. How to improve something in your neighborhood. How to improve something in the country. Can you do some small thing and help that? So these take up such large things, even from your childhood. I'm talking to students. You will be a different person. If you start at the age of 15, imagine what you will be when you are 50. Okay? I was not thinking like this when I was 15. I started thinking much later. Okay? But if I had started thinking at 15, I would be somewhere else. Okay? But I keep telling this to all the young people I meet. That start thinking like this as early as possible. You have only one life. You'll never become 15 again. Every day, one day less in your life. Okay? And your active life is say 70 years. Maybe if you are very lucky, maybe 80 years. So in 70 years, you can really achieve something. If you start thinking at 15. And a lot of people have achieved. Imagine what we had. What C.V. Raman had? Nothing. No money to do research, zero. Apne salary say, he was an accounts clerk in Calcutta. He built his instrument and got Nobel Prize. So it is not that you need 5 crore equipment, 20 crore equipment to get big things. This has to be there. The machines don't do anything. So you have to think, you have to be passionate, then go for it. Then hard work, of course, is there. Right? So I just want to tell all of you that you are all very bright. Choose one thing in your life so that you can focus. And put all your energy behind this. Whether it is sports, all of you need not be scientists. But you have to find out what is it that you like. If you like music, like these children were playing, excellent. they should choose to become Ravi Shankar. So your ideal should be very high, not middle level. Cricket खेलना तो Tendulkar. That should be your level. Then only you will reach something, not in the middle. You should aim very, very high. Because this is only one life. Give everything for that. Okay, if you want to become a sitarist, you have to practice like Ravi Shankar used to practice. Under the tutelage of Ustad, I think his wife's father, first wife, Akbar Sahib. Okay, he married the daughter of his guru. Right? And then, they practice how much time? Subah 4 bajke uth ke, they'll go till 8 o'clock in the morning. Then a break of some time, then again practice. Your fingers will bleed. Same thing Milkha Singh. I was talking with Milkha Singh a couple years back. And the movie is correct. He told me I used to run till blood will come out of my mouth. I know now I have reached my level, endurance level. So unless you work like that, then will you? But if people can do, so many human beings are doing it. Right? And those days, you see, no proper shoe and all, we made it. Very closely missed the Olympic medal. With our kind of tracks and our kind of work, this thing. So, जुनून होना चाहिए आपको. अगर वो जुनून नहीं है, तो जितना भी आप नाइकी और एडिडास खरीद लो और किट खरीद लो क्रिकेट का, वो नहीं होगा. जुनून होना चाहिए, पैशन होना चाहिए. Right? So I leave all of you with that I personally feel our children are very bright. I personally feel all of them are much brighter than many people I have worked with abroad. See, Chinese, why they are doing well? I had Chinese friends who continuous 48 hours काम कर सकते हैं. ना नहाएगा ना धोएगा कुछ नहीं, हमको तो नहाना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट. वो 48 आवर्स काम करेगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, चू तक नहीं करेगा. Not many Indians can do this. I have seen PhD students sleeping in the lab. 5 दिन लैब में सोना. कितने लोग करेंगे? That's why China is coming up. वहाँ पे unbelievable. It's now number 2 in every field you are in, and number 1 in many things. US को भी beat कर दिया. Right? So you must have that hard work. करना है. The second is the loyalty to the country, loyalty to your institution.